Here's how you can see deleted messages on Android. So, doing this is pretty simple and you can do this just from your phone setting. For example purposes, I will navigate to this message and select these messages and delete them. Now, simply navigate to Settings app on your mobile phone. Now, scroll down and search for the option that says Accounts and Backup. Click this and it will show you this page. Here, you can see you have the option to restore data. Click Restore Data. Now, it will show you this page where you'll have to choose your mobile phone, and if it asks you for verification, just verify it by any method available. Now, make sure you deselect all the other backups. So, simply choose messages. And as you can see, I have 13,353 messages that I can recover and are deleted from my mobile phone. If I choose this and click restore, it will instantly start restoring those messages. After the restore gets finished, simply open messages and you'll be easily able to see all the messages that would have been deleted on your Android. As you can see, these messages were recently deleted, but now I have them back. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.